Stocks little changed as market awaits Fed's rate decision. Watch live. Stocks were little changed Wednesday, putting the brakes on a month-long rally, as traders waited for the Federal Reserve's latest decision on monetary policy. The Dow was up 45 points, while the S&P 500 and Nasdaq traded near break-even. The Fed is scheduled to deliver its decision at 2 p.m. ET. Traders are pricing an easier monetary policy as soon as July. They are also betting. The bottom line with today's FOMC statement and Powell press conference is whether they confirm the market's expectations for a rate cut, currently at 82% in July, or will we hear more about patience that tries to shift those odds closer to 50%, thus giving the Fed more independence and optionality instead of their current position of being cornered and bullied by the market. Peter Boockvar, Chief Investment Officer at Bleakley Advisory Group, said in a note. Stocks have not fared well in recent Fed days. The S&P expectations of lower rates helped the market rebound this month after a torrid performance in May. The S&P, those expectations increased amid lingering trade worries and weaker economic data. The Fed's meeting comes after Bloomberg News reported the White House looked for a way to demote Powell earlier this year. Larry Kudlow, still, when asked Tuesday whether he wants to remove Powell from his position, Trump said let's see what he does. CNBC's Sylvia Amaro contributed to this report.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park.